Welcome back to V-Discovery video. My name is Min. I'm a project manager here. Today, I will try to make prediction on what will be the hot technology in the 2020. We have branches of technologies here. I think I think more work can be done in mobile. That would be the growing technology. So I'll put this one on top. Um, I think blockchain is a little farther down in the future, so it should be in the bottom. And the next thing I will pick is the analytic tower assisted review by using AI. That would be the hot technology, I think. The last one I will pick is text messages based communication. This will be the hot for 2020, and I am pretty satisfied with what I choose. So that's my prediction for 2020. Thank you, everyone.